Hi guys! Okay, so this is part 2 of my rapid study methods. So, I think we left off at what is a human and the difference between a human and a person. And, no, we talked about equality as well. So, that means that I am at negative and positive rights. So, the difference between negative and positive rights is that negative is something that not ought be done to you, and positive rights is something that is given to you, like from the government. So that means that your freedom is given to you. Basically, and the negative right is your freedom being taken away from you, as in being a slave. So, distributive justice. So what does that mean? That means distributing the goods. Wait, what is it? Distributing the society's goods equally to everybody. So it's distributive justice. Everything is fair. Rawls' justice of fairness. So basically, that means that it's a liberal argument, and that means that it's the veil of ignorance. So the veil of ignorance. What is it? Like, come on, veil of ignorance. I don't want to look at my notes, that's why. So I just want to get the basic idea in my head. The veil of ignorance is that everybody goes under the veil, and they don't know who they are, and they don't know what they're going to be when they come out. So under this veil, they make all the rules of what society is going to be. And then when they come out of the veil, they don't know who they are. So all of the rules have to be fair, or else you could be screwed, basically. And then, so criminal justice is just justice for the criminals, basically. So the people who break the law, there's still justice for them. Virtuous people is somebody who dedicates their whole life to being virtuous. So take a CPR class, take a lifeguarding class, just make yourself a virtuous person. So basically just you're able to help when you're at whatever the duty calls. Okay, so where are we? So Socrates. What makes a well-balanced person? So it's that triangle again. So you have to have your reason, which is the philosopher kings. You have to have the army, which is the willpower. And then you have to have the workers, which is the appetite. And a well-balanced soul also is equivalent to a well-balanced society, wherein those three aspects are also parallel to in a society. So you have to have the philosopher kings that rule, you have to have the army who puts in force, and then you have to have the workers who do all the work and are the appetite. So if everything is put together, you have a well-balanced society, you have a just society, and a just soul. So metaphysics. Metaphysics is just basically a person's view on reality. And then there's those three things. I don't think I covered it in a video, but it was just a basic thing that we touched on a little bit. It's the difference between materialism, idealism, and dualism. So what that means is materialism believes in actual objects, so like paper, and then idealism believes in the soul and the afterlife kind of thing, and then dualism believes in a little bit of that and a little bit of this. So just it means that they believe in both. So the shadow projections of Plato's forms was also going to be on the exam, and basically that's just you have to perceive things differently. So you can't just see this as a water bottle. This is actually a form of a water bottle. So it's the idea that comes first, and then it's the actual materialistic figure. And then, so that's basically everything that's going to be on the midterm exam. And I think I pretty much know it all. I'm not sure. So I'll watch the video over again and then see when I'm looking at my notes. And then those are the questions that I have to study more on. So, okay, so wishing you luck on my exam. And yeah, so that's it. See you later. Bye.